We will go to Sonpriyag, which is 5 kilometers away from here. This is the medical center here. You have to take a medical fitness certificate from here. See, lots of tourists are taking medical certificate from here for Kedarnath Yatra. This is the checking center here. They check medical certificate and the registration here. We have reached Gaurikund. I'll start checking immediately from here. This is Gauri Mata temple here in Gaurikund. This is the first emergency helipad. I have come 3.5 kilometers from Gaurikund. Government has made all the arrangements. There are toilets on the way. There are temporary shelters, take rest, and some small shops you can have tea, breakfast, snacks there. We have come around 5.5 kilometers from Gaurikund. I've reached Bhimbali. This is 6 kilometers from Gaurikund first halting place. This is the helipad here for emergency use. This is the medical center here. So you can get all type of medicines here if anyone need. This is the track coming from Gaurikund. This is Choti Lingcholi, and there are some shops here to take tea, snacks, and some government camps are there. Medical facilities are there. and this is the track from Chote Lingcholi. So we have come 10.5 kilometers from Gaurikund. Sir, how you are feeling now?
I think the overall experience is quite fantastic. I think the way government has done, work on the roads, I think it is quite tremendous. Keeping in mind that it has only been two years, since that disaster happened. So not a bad experience, I would say. But yes, you have to go slowly, you have to go very steadily, and there should not be any problem. And overall, in between there are halts in between about every half a kilometer or so. And you can get food, you can get tea, you can get all the snacks. So one should not worry when they are coming to Badrinath. It's all been a great experience.
So some people are spreading very negative reports about Kedarnath and arrangements. So how's the truth?
No negative. You should never be negative about these things. You have to appreciate the efforts that the government or the various agencies have made. I think it's been tremendous because I have not seen the disaster. I have only seen that on the television. But the way you can also see that, on the road, I think it's been tremendous.
This is the view of Lingcholi. Some arrangement after Lingcholi. This is Badi Lingcholi, called Badi Lingcholi. The Kedarnath is more 3 kilometers from here. And finally, we have to reach there, that place. This is Garud Chatti, located on the older route to Kedarnath. Finally, I have reached Kedarnath base camp. This is a government hospital at Kedarnath ji. This is the huts all around and for overnight stay. This is the track of Bhairav Baba ji from Kedarnath ji. So we are at Kedarnath ji helipad and we had very good darshan. So what is your experience here?
I think it was awesome. The kind of arrangement here in the hotel, I think hotels are fabulous. Despite the fact that there was very less electricity in the night because of some problems, but still they managed it so well. Regarding darshan, I think this was the best. I can't express my feelings. This is probably one of the best days of my life.
What is your message to the tourists about the security and arrangements here?
I think
because lots of tourists are worried about the security here after the disaster.
Don't bother about security. Don't bother about arrangement. I think you just have to manage, entire arrangement right, there in Rishikesh or in Haridwar. And once you come here, everything is in the perfection here.